it's hard to imagine him in a different role than what he is as the naval captain during the war. It seems like he was the type of guy that wanted some sort of attention and fame in some perverse way. Can you imagine him in that way? Did this suit him as well as it ended up suiting him?
Well, I think that's interesting because I think who is the real Semmes? That's what people would ask now. I mean, maybe someone members of the audience. I mean, did he really believe in the Confederate? I mean, if he mentions him, he became this Southern patriot almost overnight. So it makes you think that. I mean, he obviously loved sailing the ship. He wanted to sail the ship. He always wanted to sail the ship. That would seem to be his main love in life. I mean, so plus writing. And sometimes I think about Hemingway, who, he joined the Spanish Civil War, and he always went into some violent wartime situation and come back with the material to write a book. I don't think Semmes was like that. I think yes, you're right. I think he didn't want to show what he could do. Like me, I guess we all want to do that somewhere. I mean, he felt like he could sail a ship, but the U.S. Navy wouldn't let him. See, I mean, this is the thing. I mean, so anyway, once he got on the seas, he showed him a thing or two. I mean, I guess that was part of it. You're right.